Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This speed is of 80 words per minute and is pertaining to Telangana, and the examination was conducted in the month of January 2025. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Education is the most important tool which is useful in everybody's life. Education is what differentiates us from other living beings on earth. Unfortunately, education still remains a luxury and not a necessity in our country. Educational awareness needs to be spread throughout the country to make education accessible. But this remains incomplete without first knowing the importance of education. Only when the people realize what its significance is, then only they can consider it as a necessity for good life. Education is the most significant tool in removing poverty and unemployment. The higher the level of education in a country, the better the chances of development are. In addition to this, education also benefits an individual in many ways. It helps a person take a better decision with the use of their knowledge. This increases the success rate of a person in life. Subsequently, education is also responsible for providing with an enhanced lifestyle. It gives career opportunities that can increase the quality of life. Similarly, education also helps in making a person independent. When one is educated enough, they do not have to depend on anyone else for their livelihood. They will be self-sufficient to earn for themselves and lead a good life. Above all, education also enhances the self-confidence of a person. Educated people vote for the better candidate of the country. This ensures the development and growth of a nation. Education is a gateway to success. It serves as the key which will unlock many doors that will lead to success. This, in turn, help to build a better life. An educated person has a lot of job opportunities waiting for him on the other side of the door. He can choose from a variety of options and not be forced to do something he dislikes. It helps to choose the right path and look at things from various viewpoints. However, one must always ensure that education only doesn't ensure success. It is a doorway to success which requires hard work, dedication, and knowledge. All these things together will make a person to be successful in life. Education enhances intellectual thinking, and the ability to make rational decisions. It enhances individual growth. Education also improves the economic growth of a country. It helps in building a better society for the citizens of a country. It is the education that makes an individual to contribute towards the development of society and a nation as a whole. Every individual has a right to education. Dear sirs, we have much pleasure in sending you a copy of our latest price list and catalog, and we hope that you will be interested in our goods and their prices. One point to which we wish to draw your attention is that we offer to supply all schools and colleges with the necessary sports equipment and clothing direct from the factories at trade prices. The scheme was introduced for the first time last year, and in view of its favorable response, we are continuing our offer for the next season also. Our factories are now in full production for the new year, and a wide range of goods are ready for dispatch. We are prepared to send samples so that proper selection can be made by you. Further, our terms of payment also allow you a discount of 5% for cash with order or within 1 month of the receipt of the goods specified above. Yours faithfully, Manager.